This is the Samsung Solo Microwave. It's a 23-litre 800-watt model that uses Samsung's triple distribution system, so heat spreads evenly and food comes out without cold spots. Inside, you've got a ceramic enamel cavity that's scratch-resistant, antibacterial, and really easy to wipe clean. It stays hygienic and looking new for longer. Controls are simple. A clear ice blue LED display, rotary dial, and 6 power levels. There are also handy auto cook and defrost settings, so everyday meals and leftovers are quick to prepare. An eco mode reduces standby energy use, which is a nice extra touch. With its sleek silver design, compact size, and solid reliability, it's ideal for small households or everyday kitchen use. No unnecessary extras, just a clean modern microwave that performs consistently well.